So we're going to utilize some really nice products we got recently to make Donna's famous potatoes. Everybody wants to know how these roasted potatoes are made. We put these on pizza and people go crazy over them. So I'm going to show you how to make them today with this chopper and with these potatoes. Got my rosemary sprig fresh from the garden. I'm just going to take it at the top part where it gets nice and solid and I can hold onto it well and just go the opposite direction. Right into my potatoes.
Add salt, pepper, and olive oil, then mix them all together.
And on to the baking pan. And now into the oven, 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm just going to use a little fork, and when it's soft, it's done. Now that they're done, they're so delicious, and there's so many ways that you can eat these. You can have them with a little bit of fish, with your hamburgers. You can have them with some steak. You can have them with a nice soft-boiled egg on the top. Whatever you want to do, they're really just perfect for any side dish. Or if you want to just eat them all by yourself, just like this.